IAS Module 7, third quarter. So, let's start. So, first, what are the ethical and unethical behavior of a counselor? It is unethical for counselor to contact word uncertified and unlicensed in case of a counselor not being certified, licensed, even if he or she has a good conduct. He or she can be implicated. It is ethical for a counselor to have regards for other fellow counselors in terms for their needs and feelings. So, second, what is an example of ethical and unethical communication? Form of communication such as coerciveness, deception, or distraction are example of unethical communication. Ethical communication. Improve systems of interaction and exchange, while unethical communication negatively impact relationship. That is the key difference between the two. Objective. Why the ethical and unethical behavior among counselors should be discussed. Ethics are important in counseling as they are a mean to protect the welfare of the client and counselor by clearly outlining what is appropriate. Counselors and therapists often comes across some difficult and sensitive subject. This leave the client in a vulnerable position. So next, what is an example of unethical counseling? Some common violations are engaging in dual relationships, breach of confidentiality, unethical billing practices, sexual relationships, client abandonment. What is the meaning of ethical behavior? Ethical behavior is characterized by honesty, fairness, and equality in interpersonal, professional, and academic relationships, and in research and scholarly activities. Ethical behavior respects the dignity, diversity, and rights of individuals and group of people. What is another word of ethical behavior? Some common synonyms of ethical are moral, noble, righteous, and virtuous. Which is the best definition of which ethical? First, pertaining to or dealing with morals of the principle of morality. Pertaining to right and wrong in conduct. Second, being in accordance with the rules or standard for right conduct or practice ESP.